This is a taxi. It's a car that will take you where you want to go. This is a bulldozer. It has caterpillar tracks instead of wheels. Using these tracks, the bulldozer can pass even if there is no road. It has a blade in front. These are the working arms of the bulldozer. The bulldozer is going to work. There are large, beautiful stones brought to the city park. The bulldozer will put them around the trees. This is an earth-moving machine, an excavator. A bucket is fixed on the boom in front. The cabin can rotate together with the bucket. There is a traffic light ahead. We must wait for the green light. Now we can go. Today, the excavator has a lot of work. It has to remove all this sand from the road. Look! The excavator's bucket rakes the sand, like a hand, and takes it to the roadside. Done! The road is free. Oh, what happened? Fire! This is the aerial ladder. The chassis has a retractable ladder for lifting firemen and water supply. The fire brigade with the aerial ladder is going on a call. If the fire is not extinguished quickly, it can spread through the whole building. The fire is extinguished. Cars can go to the garage. Thank you, helper cars.
Would you like to see more interesting videos? Choose one now. Maybe this, or this, or this one, or this? Choose quickly before they disappear.